yung tunog, pero gusto ko yung squishy. Pero yung tunog talaga yung hindi ko gusto. Marunong po ako on ha, sa remote. 6/10. Kasi hindi ko gusto yung tunog. Ngayon, tignan nyo yung tunog ka. Tignan nyo yung tunog. Diba? Pero gusto ko yung squishy 6/10. And strawberry. Oh! Uy, tignan niyo yung tunog. Ang bango. Ang bango. Hindi siya pangit namang pangit na bango. Ang amoy. Hindi naman dumidikit yung dirty. Ay, dumidikit yung dirty. Pero 10/10 pa rin siya sa akin. So, tignan nyo ha.
Yeah, he was cutting up girls for their organs.
After them the bodies out the ship, that's why these feet keep washing up on shore.
Well, where do you want us to be?
Look up with
Atin na siyang ilalak.
We were going after Sims.
Mana